In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. Let's start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, head to the top navigation and open the More menu. When the list expands, hover over Commerce to reveal the billing tools, then choose Invoices. That opens the invoice dashboard with drafts, sent invoices, and payment statuses. To build a new invoice, click the Create button in the top right. In the panel that opens, select Create One-Time Invoice. This option is perfect for a single bill for a product or service. Next, add a contact. Start typing the customer's name or company to search your CRM, then select the right record. If you don't see it, create a new contact so the invoice is tied to the correct details and timeline. Now enter the billing address. This appears on the invoice and is used for taxes and records, so include the full street, city, state, or region, postal code, and country. If your invoice also needs a shipping address, add that as well. If nothing ships, mirror billing or leave shipping blank. With the customer information set, add your line items. You can pull existing products from your library for consistent names and pricing, or create items right on the fly. If you need something unique, click Create Custom Line Item and enter a clear name, a helpful description, quantity, price, and any discounts or taxes that apply. Take a moment to confirm your currency, totals, and that everything reads the way you'd want a customer to see it. Before finalizing, choose whether to accept online payments. Turning this on allows your customer to pay directly from the invoice using methods your account supports. It's a great way to speed up cash collection and reduce back and forth. When everything looks good, click Create to generate the invoice. HubSpot will produce a professional invoice with a shareable link and send options, and it will log the activity on the contact and company records. From there, you can track views and payments, all from the same invoices screen. And that's it. You've created a clean, accurate HubSpot invoice, ready to send and get paid faster.